Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. Today, we're announcing our upcoming series of lessons in the chef will teach us segment. These will be a series of hands-on cooking lessons based on the experience of leading culinary experts and food masters, covering recipes and techniques for practical home use. For roasting, it's best to use a meaty fillet from the slow zone or a bone-in ham with some fat on it. The second option, roasted as a whole piece, makes for a much more impressive presentation. The bone itself is a great conductor of heat, so the meat cooks evenly both from the outside and the inside at the same time. And the connective tissue and fat near the bone, when roasted at low temperatures, make the meat juicier and more flavorful. The fillet, on the other hand, is more fibrous and less fat. It's better suited for making meat rolls. Before cooking, the ham needs to be salted. Salt breaks down certain proteins and the muscle fiber. The meat then becomes much better at retaining and absorbing moisture. That way, you're guaranteed not to dry it out. You can simply rub the meat generously with salt, cover it with foil, and leave it in the fridge for a couple of days. But honestly, it's better to make a brine. Use a ratio of 1 liter of water to 50 grams of salt. You can also add any spices you like, and leave it for a full day. This speeds up the curing process. You can take the meat out a couple of times and give it a gentle massage, so the salt penetrates the muscles evenly. If you not only salt the ham but also marinate it, you can not only tenderize the muscle fibers but also get rid of that specific inner smell that pork sometimes has, the one that puts some people off. Pork pairs beautifully with marinades that have sweet, winey, or smoky notes, something like this one, for example. To half a liter of wine, add a generous amount of coarsely chopped onion, but make sure to crush it with your hands first so it releases its juice. A couple of teaspoons of smoked paprika, 3 to 4 crushed garlic cloves, 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper. Leave the meat in this marinade in the fridge for a couple of hours, and you won't even recognize it afterward. And that's all for today. As always, more to come. Don't miss our video tip. It's going to be interesting, and most importantly, useful.